Welcome to episode 12, College versus Trade School. Today's hot take: college isn't the only path to success. We'll help you choose between four-year universities and trade schools to find what fits your goals, learning style, and lifestyle. The burning question of the day: what is the primary reason a student might choose a trade school over a four-year college? The answer is A, they want a more hands-on learning environment. While some choose trade school for a practical, hands-on training over financial or academic reasons, now let's lay down some coals and define key terms. A trade school offers hands-on training for specific careers like electrician or welder. These programs are often shorter, more affordable, and led directly to a specific job. A four-year college offers bachelor's degrees in a wide range of academic fields with a broad foundation of knowledge. Opportunity cost refers to what you give up when choosing one option over another, including time, income, and experience. Now for a story from the fire. Jasmine loves working with her hands. She enrolled in a welding program and landed a debt-free job within a year. Her friend Marcus chose a four-year college for engineering. Both are thriving, proving that success aligns with your personality and goals. Let's check the heat map to see where to focus your efforts for the most impact. First, research job placement rates and average salaries for both paths. Look at real data for your desired field. Second, visit both a college campus and a trade school to compare learning environments. Do you prefer a lecture hall or a hands-on workshop? And finally, talk to professionals in both tracks about their experiences. Now let's talk about where you might get burned. These are some common pitfalls. Don't assume college is the default. This is an outdated mindset. Explore all options and choose what's best for you. Also, don't underestimate the earning potential of trades. Skilled trades are in high demand and often offer great salaries and benefits. Don't choose based on prestige. A degree from a prestigious university is meaningless if it doesn't align with your goals. Choose based on fit. In today's Afterburn, here are some questions for you to reflect on. What kind of learning environment helps you thrive? Do you prefer lectures or hands-on experiences? What lifestyle do you envision for yourself in 5 to 10 years? And what are you willing to invest in terms of time, money, and energy in your education to achieve it? Now for the final burn. Remember, success isn't spelled BA or BS. It's spelled alignment. Choose the path that truly fits you.
If you enjoyed this clip, we'd love to have you join us. Tune in every Saturday at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. You can find all you need on our social channels and tpurehottakes.com. You can also find all our sources there if you want to dig deeper. Thanks for tuning in.